What I was talking about today is about having sex orally. Let's talk about the disadvantages of putting it inside your mouth. I'm really saying this to people that like to explore different parties. They explore a lot of avenues, not that it's a one partner thing. No, any size and they are good at it. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Hi, you're welcome to another episode with me. And today we're going to be talking about a particular topic, and it has to do with our mouth. So what brought about this video? Because I don't just post any kind of video on my channel. It's once I'm led to do that before I can post it. Because there was this news I got about somebody that has this hepatitis B or something there like, so I had to read about it and go further in it, and that led me into this particular topic. So please, this video is for married people in the house. If you are not married, my hands are up. So what I was talking about today is about having sex orally. This will be the last time I'm going to mention the word sex, so this video is not taken down on YouTube. I'm bringing this up again because of people that claim they are celibate. Celibate. See, in quote, they are celibate, but because they are not having the V um, intercourse and they are having other types, they still feel like they are celibate. Please, I'm not judging you. You know that I'm here to just state research, which you can also Google and check. And I'm also here to air my opinion. So if you don't agree with this, no worries. That's fine too. We are still friends. Anyway, so what are we talking about? Now, dear people of God, that you know you like that type, that form, especially the men. You know, men, a lot of men, married men, they love it when, especially when the women are wild in that aspect. And most times, some ladies don't really like it for the men. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. So just take it like I don't know what I'm talking about concerning whether women like it or the men like it. That's not even the bone of contention of this video. My reason for making this video is that let's talk about the disadvantages of putting it inside your mouth. The first one is that with this, you are you can be able to be infected with STI. If there is a cut, it can lead to diseases like HIV, gonorrhea, herpes, syphilis. The list is endless. Because of, I'm really saying this to people that like to explore different parties. You understand? Like explore a lot of avenues, not that is a one partner thing. No, any size and they are good at it. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. It can lead to STI infection. So that is the first disadvantage for those that explore these avenues of what we are talking about. Number two, with that, you know, there are a lot of microorganisms in our mouths. Let me put I have a good background in health. So there is a lot of microorganisms in our mouth, right? And doing that activity can also introduce some harmful microorganisms in your mouth, which can cause gum infection, teeth infection, or even throat infection. And if this gets what, it might even lead to cancer of the HPV or so. I think I'll find it and put it here. I'm not saying stop, dear married folks, you're on your own. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is that please stick to one partner. Because if you are sticking to one partner, we will not be discussing about things like this, right? And if you can avoid it, please avoid it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Oh God. Now I've been wild in my research, just researching when sometimes some either subscriber sends me message, I go for that, I research and I just come up and talk about things like this. So do well to do your own research and your own finding. And please Talk to me in the comment section. What has been your experience? What has been the disadvantage or the advantage, or it's it has nothing, no effect, no, no effect on you. But don't forget, stick to one partner, dear married folks. Married folks, stick to your wife only. Wife, stick to your husband only, only, only. Okay, I rest my case. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next video. If you've not enrolled for the 3-month French course, do well to enroll and engage with me in the community section of this channel. I leave my thoughts there on a regular basis. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.